Valentines. And I'm talking about that one true hope. Bitcoin, my sweet forbidden flame. Let's get intimate.
Bitcoin, baby, you got me locked in tight. Your curves on the chart, keeping me up all night. Whisper promises and moonshots in my ear. Heat of the air with no fear, my dear. You dip low sometimes, make my heart skip a beat. But I know you rise, make it all feel sweet. Altcoin fling on the side, quick and wild thrill. But you're the one I come back to, paying every bill. All that was slightly lighter, but still that older than forbidden fruit in the blockchain. And you tease me slow, make me beg for more. Bitcoin, baby, you're the one I adore. Bitcoin, baby, hold me through the night. Your value rising, feeling so right. Slightly forbidden, but also divine. And your wallet, baby, forever mine. Altcoin temptress, just a quick escape. But Bitcoin's the love I can't forsake. Deep and sexy, our crypto romance. Hold on my heart, take a chance. Altcoin, honey, you flash hot and fast. Promise the world, but you never last. A naughty detour, wild ride in the dark. But Bitcoin's the spark, leaving this mark. You crash and burn, leave me wanting more. But Bitcoin rises, opens every door. Valentine's vow and code we trust. Our love's encrypted, pure diamond dust. Oh, it's enticing, this blockchain tease. Slightly forbidden, bringing me to my knees. You move so smooth, make them make for more. Bitcoin, baby, hold me through. Hold me through the night. Your value rising, feeling so right. Slightly forbidden, but oh so divine. And your wallet, baby, be forever mine. Altcoin temptress, just a quick escape. But Bitcoin's the love I can't forsake. Deep and sexy, our crypto romance. Hold on my heart, take a chance. Forever, oh baby. In this volatile world, you're my steady flame. Altcoins come and go, but you stay the same. A little naughty flame, but my heart's with you. Bitcoin forever, making dreams come true.
Let's get lost in the ledger tonight.
Bitcoin, your value rises, so right. Slightly forbidden, but oh so divine. And your wallet, baby, forever mine. Altcoin temptress, just a quick escape. But Bitcoin's the love I can't forsake. Deep and sexy, our crypto romance. Hold on my heart, I take a chance. Forever.
Yeah. Hold it forever, baby. Hold it forever, baby.
Crypto's calling you.
charts sway, Fibonacci self-embrace. A bull runs curve, igniting love's chase. My wisdom flows free, a spiral so grand, guiding your riches with a tender hand. No price for this velvet touch, my dear, but where's your kiss? Don't leave me here. Step into my groove, let's sway real slow. Tap the light, let your passion grow.
Why you holding back? Let my heart take flight.
Road dogs got the fire burning deep tonight.
Press that light, feel our love ignite.
Fibonacci spiral where our wealth aligns so right.
Baby, let the rhythm ride.
Subscribe's my touch, gaze into my eyes.
Send a super chat, let the scroll coin flow.
Road dog seduction, stealing your soul.
Loading your ratios, groove, a lover's delight. Markets my boudoir, dancing all night. Crypto sways with hips, a tea so fine. I ease your fears with a sip of wine.
I'm the OG with a key, unlocking your thrill.
Where's your spark? Come fulfill my will.
Let's linger till dawn, a flirty little play.
Hit subscribe, you're mine in every way. Why you holding back? Let my heart take flight. Road dogs got the fire burning deep tonight. Press that light, feel our love ignite. Fibonacci spiral where our wealth aligns so right. Baby, let
The ringing of the ding-a-ling.
Touch, gaze into my eyes.
Send a super chat, let this road coin flow. Road dog seduction,
Stealing your soul.
Those moments where things just don't make sense. It just need a little cowbell and a whole lot of Jesus. The ringing of the cowbell ceremony is now completed. You may continue with the show.
Charge pulse with sass,
Thank you for your pro-life applications.
Road dogs got the fire.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for that turkey, the weirdest thing you've ever seen on crypto YouTube. Holy crap! What happened? Sean! What? That's crazy! Everything just happened all at once. That freaked me out. Do we have our microphone, Sean? Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, frogs and squirrels, welcome to Late Night Crypto with Road Dogg on this February 14th, Valentine's evening. I got the mute music playing in the background for you little snuggle bugs out there. And for you little lonely suckers, we got, we got the new Road Dogg Cowbell Lotion. Available now on Amazon. Use the links below. It's really good for your skin. Very smelly. And the bottle makes a nice little cowbell. Road Dogg Lotion for you solo riders out there. I understand how this market can be kind of confusing as Bitcoin is just kind of going sideways, not really giving us any action on a day. We're just kind of hoping, man, somebody give us some action today. Come on, Bitcoin, what are you doing over here? You're breaking my little heart and leaving my little balls blue. What's going on with you? You're at 69,359 and falling from its little peak over here at 7,004. Early in the morning. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all you can do, I mean, the price might be going down. I don't know. Did you expect it to go down? Maybe you were. But it doesn't mean your vibrations need to go down sometimes. Listen, it's all vibration and frequency in this market. If you haven't heard that, man, have you not studied like Tesla and WD Gann and tried to connect dots where, I don't know, maybe lines should be, or maybe just, some kind of halftone matrix in the background. I don't know, but It's all about keeping them vibrations high. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Sometimes those low vibrations are just not what you need in life. Sometimes they don't get you over to the edge. You know what I'm saying, ladies? You know, sometimes you guys turn it up just a little bit. You go from this sound to this one. Or this one. There are different levels of highness that you can get in life, ladies and gentlemen. I know this firsthand. I guess the question is, you want to go? If the lower levels just aren't working for you, baby, just raise your vibrations. That's what the mystics are always saying. It'll put a smile on your face. Might get you over to the edge, ladies. There you go. Yeah, the ladies know. All this pump and dump stuff sometimes just doesn't quite hit the spot. Like what's been going on this weekend, just pumping, dumping. I'm just going to hang out sideways. I'm here on the tiny ass 3-minute time frame because I'm just bored as all get out. I think last night when we left off, posted this little line here. We can extend it on over here, and maybe we got a little something there. It's a little fuzzy there. I also posted this top line over here, which just said, "Road Dog, I don't give a crap about that." It came down and embarrassingly retested it. So we're back in this channel idea, so we can look at it that way, if you like. I think it's probably good for us to zoom out, but what's really nice is we did flip the ribbon here on the smaller time frames, whichever ones you're looking for. I'm not really sure how far they go up. Probably not past the 15 yet. Here on the 6 minute, they flipped over here too, and that's always a welcome sign, man, when we're seeing all these moving averages flip over like that. And maybe it'll carry over to the bigger ones, and they stick longer when they do, right? They can give it up easier on the smaller time frames, but if it carries over to the bigger time frames, then we start seeing that action over there on them, then hey man, it's got a bigger chance to stick, especially on the 4 hour. That's where I like to see it. We've seen it on some altcoins, right? And now, of all things, well, Bitcoin's just hanging out sideways. Well, we got some beautiful things happening right now. We got this thing called Bitcoin dominance, which is starting to fall. Yeah, it's not many lower lows, but hey, man, we'll take what we can get, especially on a weekend, right? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Anybody else feel like they missed out on some altcoin moves this weekend? Maybe a little bit. Weren't looking. We talked about it last night, the possibility. But it's, you got to take it with a grain of salt on the weekends, right? Yeah, but usually weekend, Bitcoin just kind of hangs sideways until, I don't know, Sunday night, Monday night, something like that. On the weekend, holiday weekend here in the U.S., President's Day finally coming. Not last week like I thought. I thought it was last week. It wasn't. Yeah, that was embarrassing. Hey, why'd I bring it up again? Anyway, so this we might get a surprise little, who knows what they'll do. Go the opposite direction of what they did on Friday. Sometimes that happens, so be cautious. I mean, in the short-lived gain, the gains out of altcoins may be short-lived. We'll get a better feel for that in just a second. But right now, Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Usually when that happens, that is a good thing. We got a little cheat sheet that kind of explains it a little bit. Right over here, if I don't forget to take it off, Bitcoin dominance, this particular chart going down. 2 out of 3 of your situations for altcoins are pretty gosh darn good. The other one's just kind of boring a little bit. But most of the time, it's good for altcoins. So we want to see this guy go down, right? So we got that, and then this is total 3, and look at that, candle after candle after candle. These altcoins are going up higher, trying to change trend, made a higher high after making a low, and all we need to do now is get to a little bit local high, then come down, make a higher low. If I were a guessing man, and I do guess a lot, so let's just see if we can guess what this little sucker might be up to right here. Kind of tells me we might have a little bit more to go if we're looking at angles from them bodies to bodies. We're going to pull our little fibs. We could do it several different ways, but I just want to take it on the local. See where some of these top areas are. So we're getting up to areas where we should probably start by taking some profit on some of these altcoins, just to. And let's see if we can look at this area right over here. about $743 billion. We hit that over the next few days. That's definitely a good area to say, hey man, I'm kind of up on this perpetual future trade. Maybe I'll close it out or take most of the profits and let the rest of it ride, baby. Pull up my stop loss so I don't have a losing trade. Those kind of ideas are some good things to maybe let cross your mind as we progress the 4-hour candles into the weekend, making higher highs here. That's kind of notable. Just saying, I want to mark it gray just so we see it. That line right there is that gray line. We passed it up. Looks like we're not trying to do the roundy bottom after all. We're trying to do some kind of channel. Or I guess some people might say, well, that was the roundy bottom. I don't agree. I just think we just got a lower high. Why can't we just keep it simple, people, and just why we got to make it complicated? And we're looking for higher lows and higher highs. And I think we got our higher low right here. A little higher than this one. We got our higher high. Yeah, we just trying to see where it's going to stop and make another higher low. And then that happens like, fuck, Jave, I think you're onto something. I think we're trying to turn a trend around. Golly gee, at least for the moment. Mary Poppins, what do you think? We're not going down that road. That one will get weird. All right, so I'm kind of looking for a little action out of these altcoins because Bitcoin ain't putting out. The hell? Bitcoin's going through its no nut November here in February on Valentine's Day. I think it's just crazy, Bitcoin. You're just like, no, I have a headache. That's okay, but here's a card and a sucker. Well, not the kind you expect. Bitcoin, why are you so mean sometimes? I mean, is it wrong? Was it too forward for us to expect a little action over here? We got to go cheat with altcoins to have any fun, Bitcoin. That just can't be healthy for our relationship.
Baller alert. Make it rain.
So we're looking at Bitcoin from this downward channel idea that we're in, possible Adam and Eve type bottom, maybe playing out here, or it may be doing something other weirdly too. Maybe we start working our way up kind of like altcoins are and start coming back up here at about 75,000. That also can be one of them pesky little bear flags that take you down lower, and a lot of people will be looking at that. Whether we get that or not, that remains to be seen, but that is an idea to think about, and it could also be an AB equals CD idea, depending on where we top out there. But there is a tail, even in my method of doing this, of 42,000. It could be. Doesn't mean it's going to be. We got all these areas to mess with before, and especially a major trend line that I'm looking at down here. This would be an excellent place for a bottom, and some people think that the bottom is in. I don't know what to comment about that at the moment. We're definitely hit the levels, but the time frame on it was, that was kind of off. That was kind of rushed. That, and the bear markets can surprise you, baby. You think, we're at the bottom now. See, so many people call bottoms down the road, and then they have to come back. Well, I guess that was the bottom. I'm still your guru, though, right? You're still going to pay me every month, right? Okay. Maybe this one's the bottom, then. Okay, well, I was wrong on that one, too. But I'm still going to say I should have been right, though. But you're still going to pay me, though, right? Okay. This one's the bottom, right here. Hey, we got that one. Hey, man, we called the bottom. Hey, man, back there last cycle, we called that bottom. You could still going to pay me, though, right? Double, right? Because I called that bottom. You guys saw it. I nailed it. And I just got to wonder, why are we even having conversations like that here in crypto? I mean, for real. I called this. I did this. Look what I did. Look what I did. That's what we heard that about a lot of people. And some of those people are, man, being sued out of house and home right now. All right, I'm just digressing. I see a bigger channel that I did we breaking out of with a little sideways motion, a little motion on the ocean. Never heard anything unless you were a drowning victim, and then you probably didn't appreciate it very much. Gosh, that didn't fly. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let me come over and say hello to the 15 people hanging out with me on Valentine's Day. How's it going, awesome people? Uh-oh, I seen a super chat. It's from Jim. How's it going? Hey, Road Dog, somewhat complicated request, but I'd like a cross-examination. We're going to cross-examine somebody. Oh, it's going to be like L.A. Law right here. Holy crap, Jim, this is fun. What are we doing? I'd like a cross-examination of the VIX. That already sounds guilty. It already sounds guilty right there. The VIX 3-month chart. Yeah, they're trying to hide something on them bigger time frames, aren't they? They do that sometimes. Well, it's all right. I got a line of questioning for them. And bam! Bam, Harmonic 2. That sounds like a terrorist group right there. We need to investigate. I'm all for it, Jim. We're on board, Bubba. We're on an adventure tonight. We're going after the VIX for undernight for racketeering, and we're going over the Bam Homalama hymns for terroristic threats, I believe. I'm going to write it down, Jim. I got you, baby. I'm excited to be on this journey. I want to go get my camouflage on. Or, well, what? Wait a minute, that's the wrong mission right there. Wow, man, that's a letter full of that's a pen full of ink. What the hell, Bama-Aloha? Oh, is this Hawaii? Kidding. Honolulu, Hana, Wakatiki Liki. We're having. We're gonna have to. What are we gonna do? What is the Bamalama Himo? Bamalama Himo. Bamalama Himo. Bamalama Himo. Oh, we screwed that up. All right. Let's listen to the professional music. It sounds so much better. Bamalama Him 2. Oh, there was a first one and I missed it. Was the sequel as good as the last one? Shout out to everybody hanging out. And thank you, Jim, for your good spirits right there. Oh, let me give you the hand clappy there. That was the hand clappies. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for supporting the show. And we will take a serious look at these guys. Me right now. That was, I need help with that one. Okay, with 3 months. And we uptrend is a big no-no. No uptrend. I will scold it if I see it, man. Either we got my catch it red-handed, then what we do? Lay the book on it, I say. I'm picking up the hint. It's not Hawaii. It's in the Caribbean. Oh, we're going to travel the world to get to the bottom of this one, Jim. Silver Days is in the house. Shout out to Silver Days. How's it going, my man? You are number one tonight. You get the clap. Oh! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. Hey, pardon me while I have to have a sip of some good-ass coffee.
The morning's gray, the clock's a foe. The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow. Good-ass coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up is good-ass coffee in your cup.
Good-ass coffee in your cup. Nothing like that to keep you up all night. Avi says to check my DMs. I will check that. Definitely will check that. We got Silver Days in the house. Shout out to Silver Days. Shout out to Ave Medina. And we got Strega, my OG right there. Strega, how's it going, Strega? And Joe from Trade Intuition, fellow YouTuber, streamed earlier tonight, 9 p.m. Right here is what it looks like. We got a TI raid. Thank you, Joe, for sending your people over. Maybe some of them stayed. I don't know. I may freak some of them out. I don't have rabies. I checked. That's not really an avian flu. Okay, that did come and go, but I'm cool. Anyway, this is Joe. Go check him out. We are the dynamic duo of crypto, late night. You got Joe at 9 o'clock, and then you got the turkey coming in at 10:30-ish. Kind of, somewhere-ish. Like, around then. Yeah. Thank you, Joe. Shout out to Joe. If you're not subscribed, well, you're just not one of the cool kids. So what can I say? You're just not hanging out with all the right people. Hey, man, there's, you're either cool or you're, kind of saying. Where'd you all go? I had you over here and then you disappeared. I mean, did I say something? What'd I do? Did Sean part again? It's happened before. It's got a pickle twing to it, and I don't know what, I can't describe it. Shout out to PMO. Shout out to Scar. How's it going, Scar? Jessica? Hey, Alexa. Skip. Skip again. Oh no. I think we got the love songs on. I have a good ass copy and a Tambo loaded and a couple of new. So Tambo, I'm not really clear on what Tambo is. Maybe I'll have to catch up on the DMs or whatever that is. I see it thrown out there, but I'm not. Your string inspired the Tambo. Sounds like you might have you got a Mimi thing going on? It's cool. The idea could be brought to life. Tambo. Oh, well, now you got me curious. What's the Tambo? And not just me. You have piqued our interest. Not when you walk in and it's all over the walls. No. Have you ever walked into the stall and it's like, so no, I can't agree with that statement, mister. That's a blanket statement. That statement's full of... You know how we are about them absolute statements. I was going to drop the link. I think they all dropped the link. Road Dog is sponsored by Good Ass Coffee, the coffee that's good and ass at the same time. Do we have a new ad? Is that what it is? We got a new ad from our sponsor? Chad's very behind with lag. Sometimes I've heard that they got a cream for that. So when the lag starts itching there, you just rub the cream on it and it kind of helps that lag out a little bit. I'm just saying, you just got to rub it out. That's what I've been told. Also helps while you're rubbing it out. And that also helps if you have, keep your vibrations high. I'm just saying. Look, I'm off for a few days since Society X. It's time to raise my vibrations and hopefully my portfolio. That's what I'm saying, man. You'd be surprised how, that little, sometimes it's just that little thing to get you over the edge. Everything's good. You're liking what's going on. All right, but you just need that little, kind of get you there, that little helping hand. Wait, this could not wait till next weekend. Law. Arrow so far looks the best to get into, does it? I'm going to put up my little marker because I always forget about it. Oh, is that it? Oh, was this one? Take a look at Arrow. All right, now we're down to Jim's post right there. Thank you again, Jim, for the super chat. We'll get right into that. Link does look too bad. Does it or does? Bitcoin just had a big pump. Well, on the 4 hour, it doesn't look as impressive, but on the small ones, it might. Big kind of loses on the bigger time frames. That's a relative statement. It's above the 9 on the 4 hour. That's good. It's actually looks like it's getting a pretty good setup, honestly. It looks like we're getting our A equals CD pattern idea. It is what it looks like for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. Just depends. See what we do in the next few days. We still got that area down around 61, 62. But something along the lines of what this would look like around here, about 177. I'll probably have to tweak it. So maybe we're getting a little relief out of Bitcoin. PMO says Pepe. And Doge had a nice day today, right? Scar says bottom not in. We'll jump up and then sink again. I will be on the next one. You going to take that next train? Last I saw the VIX was at 20. I haven't looked at it in a while since we had our last scare, really. Dang, as soon as I said that about Link, it took off. Oh man, we're missing it all. Sexy ass coffee with the turkey. Oh yeah, I know what the tambo is. Rolling on the floor. It was filmed in Scottsdale. All right, there's my marker. Let's go get in. Let's check out this thing for the VIX over here. I did have it in my, I think it all got erased over here. I'll have to add it. So we're taking a look at the VIX on the 3-month. Volatility Index is what that stands for. And I want to take a look at TradingView over here. I think that's where I normally see it. And we're looking on the 3-month. Let's go to the monthly first. Yeah, this is where my my little thing is. Oh, we're still kind of low. Buy like a mofo when we pop up to these areas. That's when it gets scary. So we're not quite doing what we did last time, doesn't look like. Let's take a look at you on the, yeah, that's for the 3-month there. So I think the general rule, if I'm not mistaken, is this, from what I've learned so far, is that you want to look at acquiring assets when we're above this 30 line. I guess probably when we're starting to come down from it, because you don't know how far deep it's going to go in there, because that went way deeper. Didn't expect that one, did you? Didn't expect that one. So this was so these were the great buys areas over there. Right now I just see us back in the same zone over here. I'd see some downward kind of pressure with our moving averages over here. Got the 21 crossing the 100. That's a little bit more downward pressure. Price is above the 9, but the 9's not in a good position just yet. I can see a lot of, I still a lot of ranging in this area right now for this and maybe the next. Well, you never know what the next candle is going to do, but I wouldn't be surprised if it also stayed through here based on what I'm seeing on the moving averages. It's been a minute since we drew a line over there. When was that? October. When I was looking at you at 22, or maybe I was just back testing an idea or something. Oh, here's something. I don't know if you guys ever caught gurus doing this. This sounds awesome. I back tested this strategy for 20 years. Sounds like they've been doing the same damn thing for a long time, right? No, they meant that they got it on a chart and they looked back up to 20 years or however many years that they're saying, and just kind of compared some notes and stuff over there across time. But it sounds impressive as hell when it comes out of Guru's mouth. I back tested this strategy for 20 years. I know it's a winner. Oh, man. The grift is strong with this one, it is. All right, so 3-month on that looks, I want to see what it's doing on the weekly. Now, the weekly looks a little more feisty. It's above the 9, and she's trying to reclaim some of these areas over here. We headed a little up more toward 30. So my understanding, the more we go up, the more, but we do that a lot, right? From these areas, but things get really cheap over here out of fear of what I understand. The volatility index just kind of, oh my God, I don't know what's going on. It's crazy. And we're not near that, but it's crazy if it wants to spike back up there. She's setting up for something. We don't need to get too many of these dang little scallop bottoms, or you might get I don't know. Be good if you got the money to buy when you're up there, but if you're just riding the roller coaster road, man, that ain't a fun ride. You got on the wrong rocket ship, buddy. They were serious about this one. Yeah. Oh, this is not the kiddie ride you thought it was going to be, mister. Yeah, that would not be fun. All right, let's take a look at Aloha, Bama Lama, Aloha him. Bam Aloha him. I don't know, it may be a terrorist organization with headquarters in Hawaii or the Caribbean. We're getting to the bottom of this, Jim. If that is your real name, Mama Ola A. Oha. Oh, look, you're there. They've already got you registered over here, I see. But ICE? ICE is already on it. I see that right there. Right there. All right. We are in the ICE register over here. I knew. Okay. I wasn't profiling either. So it's the first one. Oh, I see some aliases over here. Yeah, an alias with an EY and an alias with the STW. It's not his first rodeo, is it? Oh, snap. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting some candles, and we walked in and we just got some lines and dots. And I'm not going to lie, that threw me off. I'm just kind of like, hey, let's go to something where, oh, you give me no choices over here. Female. This one's a female. Sorry, but I'm just letting you know this is a woman in charge right here. What's going on with you on the weekly? And we're looking on what, the weekly? Is that what I had? We don't want an uptrend. You can't let them take dominance over here. That's all I can say over here. Don't stay nearly. The weekly look like she's trying to go up though. She's trying to get her modern woman on thing. I don't need no chart to tell me what to do. I don't need no analyst in my life trying to put some rules and regulations and restrictions on me. I am a modern indicator. And I'm like, dang. Somebody got pink pilled right here. Got some resistance up here, though. The resistance is forming. There's whispers in the streets. Some resistance at 3.25. Keep it on the low. We're at 2.92. Might get a little ambush going on over here and just put you back in your place, woman. Sorry, that came out wrong. We're not trying to get sexist over here. That came out. That was. I came out kind of harsh.
Altcoin season for days. Wrong call stacking.
What we got going down wrong? Yeah, that looks like a little breakout going on. Somebody trying to sneak out the side window right there in the bathroom. Yeah, thought they were in there taking a big old nice long bath and a big old nice long poop, taking up the whole evening. No. Sneaking back in the house after everybody went to sleep after that. Yeah. Trying to go get some of this 50 action is what I'm thinking. Yeah. All right. That's still round 3. That's what I'm kind of seeing on your mama lama hula. Huma. Yeah. So far. I'm going to fibber out over here. Yeah. So you measure up over here. Oh, snap. You've been down on the bottom. On her way back up from the bottom. Well, if it's no good for it to go up, but it's at a bottom, oh man, that doesn't look like it's going to be good news. If it's only good to us when it goes down. But she looked like she's been going down for a minute. Well, down in these areas, hanging out in the slums down here. Below $3. I don't know what any of this means, Jim, but she looked like she got room to be going up. And the VIX, I mean, it could, but it looked like it might actually get to stay there for a little bit on the bigger time frames. The weekly was looking like it might push up a little bit. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, 19 people hanging out with me. Thank you so much for being here.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Just to keep you informed, Jenny is still officially missing. We miss her. She was She was our little side chick over here, our little dancer. But now we got, you know, we got Twerky filling in, and then also the little bear girl, and she's doing a good job, and she's not complaining either, which I really like that. But you know, Jenny is just a little sweetheart over here, just the bounciest little thing you ever seen in your life. I mean, we could just sit there and watch her dance skills forever. She's just mesmerizing, and we just really miss her here at the set. But yeah, Jenny Jiggle, I mean, she went on a good ass coffee break, and I mean, it's been several days now since February 9th, and I don't know, makes me kind of sad. Never complained about anything. She was a damn good woman. A damn good woman. Jenny Jiggles, I miss you. We're going to take a quick look over here at Arrow. What's going on with you, Arrow? You're in the crypto field. Let's see if we can get back there. KuCoin, Aerodrome Finance. That sounds like a dangerous combination now that we look at it. What the hell are you doing? This is on the weekly, by the way. Probably have to redo all of that. That's like good ass coffee. And let's try to go to the daily. Oh, the daily is trying to do a little something. It's above the 9, so yeah, it'd be worth looking at it. It's like she came all the way back down for her deep bottom. So she's hit this area 3 times over here. Well, third time's a charm is what they say. Three little touches. This might not be a bad place to pick up Arrow, I'm just saying. Not just me, but the Fibonacci's are also saying it, wherever you want to draw them from, they're going to say it. They're going to say, look, from here, man. They're going to say, from here, man. Look, this is the best place. Anywhere under 52 cents is a bargain area to pick up Aerodrome. Smallest time frame we got says, man, you're just in time to get Aerodrome at the ultimate zone of regret and missed opportunities until I come up with a better, shorter name. Because we got another 236 right there, man. So, and we're on the daily time frame. Doesn't mean she's going straight up from here. She can accumulate down here too, right? But this is a good area definitely a good area to look at. Making a move on Aerodrome if you like Aerodrome. Yeah, I don't have enough room to say opportunities, and it's a damn long word to say anyway. I probably misspelled it because I can't see what I'm typing over here. I think that's all. I think you're correct. The zone of regressed. The zone of regret. Oh, well, now I just screwed everything up. We'll just keep it simple. Zone of regret. Right here. So let's come down to the 4 hour and see what you're doing here, because that's a good one to watch on the weekend, right? It's what we usually do. Now, look like you got a nice little breakout idea going on right there. Ooh, that's almost sexy. You coming back to retest it? Could do that 30 cents. We're at 34 cents right now. Our fibs are telling us, man, zone of regret is below 35 cents. Accumulating position there. You trying to give us a little something, are you? Can you get to 41 cents, maybe 50 cent area? It's target areas I'm looking for right now. Oh man, you did that wrong. Try this again. Oh, Alexa, skip. Flashing that Tambo.
Man, it's making me sick. No real trade show, no ledger to check. Just flashy promises wrecking my day.
Oh, Alexis. Skip. So we got 35 cents. We got 41. Right on up to around 50 cents there. 49, 50 cents. So is that a 100 moving average on the 4 hour? Meaning she may get slammed down here over the next day or so. I don't know. Well, let's go with a little. You ain't trying to do it yet, are you? You got this curvaceous underwire thing going on right now. There is a one. Oh, she's trying to do it, people. The only thing I can recommend is to draw a trend line best that you can. And when she breaks, then that's when you get out. Until then, Aerodrome looks like she's trying to do a little something. Makes me want to try to play a little Aerodrome over here. Let's come down to 15 minutes. Whoa, she's starting to do it now. They're getting a little frisky bouncing off that. I think there might be a possible idea for me to enter on here. 15-minute look good. Let's see what we can determine over here on this guy. 33, we're at 33. We're just right in that little area. Well, less than a penny. On set me a target stop loss and set me a lower stop loss. I don't know. Probably start out here with some little 3xness. Let's go. I'm going to go over here to Arrow and futures. Let me start so I can find it easier. Let me, I'm looking, see what our ratio is over here. How many R's do we have here? Really what we should be asking ourselves, how many R's if we're in trader mode? That's the wrong way. How many R's? Arr. How far down? Ooh, it's kind of deep there. Well, I should be able to face it, at least come down. Let's see, we're on the freaking, I'm going to do this on the bigger time frame. So I like this idea of getting out of this zone, but it may take a minute to get out of here. And that would give me almost about a 2.5 to 1 if I go real deep on my stop loss. I'd put my stop losses below the trend lines, though. And sometimes I do get stopped out, I'm just saying. Not so much when I go below the trend line, but sometimes when I do try to put extra tight stop losses, you will find I got stopped out. That was a little too tight. But my idea would be invalidated if we lose that trend line, so therefore I can do that. Then it really starts pumping up your risk reward ratio, right? Then he's like, oh man, this is awesome. Might be if you don't get stopped out. We get to break even as soon as we can over here. Okay, so I'm looking about 41 and about 32 for my stop loss. Okay, well let's go over here and do it. That's going to mark it in a little bit, I think. And where are we on 3x? That's cool that they do that. And I'm going to keep it right there. That's just fine. Don't have to go real crazy. See what she's doing. Likes me control it on the downside a little bit if I do get a little bit of drawdown, right? Got my stop losses set here, and my profits, my profits already set. My stop loss is set way down here. What am I on over here? 3-minute time frame. All right, well, I want to try this little Aerodrome thing out and see if I can make a few nickels on that little sucker as we get a little bit more traction out of our total 3 play going on over here. So Aero kind of looking kind of interesting. I like it bouncing off the 50 on the 15-minute. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe on Binance. Oh, look at you, Pepe. Having a great deal of day here. That's a 50-minute. Yeah, they've been exploding, man. Look at some of these guys. Pepe is down here to a lot of zeros in 388. Now it's up at still a lot of zeros in 495, giving it about a 28% gain there. Think of it. $100 turned into $128. That idea. Let's come over here and draw our little resistance line over here. Oh, you coming up to it. You still might have a little bit more to go. Let's try to fib you out and see if we got any confluence up there. Well, you're 6-1. 618's up there. That would be the target to go for after we leave the 382.
I bought the top on Tuesday, thought I'd ride it to the stars.
That is 0.0000567.
I said I'll hold forever.
If you like that idea and you want to connect the dots, we got 1, 2 touches on one side. We got definitely more than 3 touches on the other, making this a very valid pattern idea, which does have about a 72% chance to break to the upside, meaning sounds crazy right now, but there could be a scenario where we eventually find our way up there. Currently right now, we're just looking for a little 16% move out of this guy, maybe a 20% move if we get lucky. Coming over here and testing these little areas over here that we were at before is 45% move. We can get higher than that up to this little target area right over here. That's a good 64% move out of Pepe, the Pepe coin. Oh, we got news on the bigger picture over here. Oh, Pepe, you're looking interesting to me now. Yetham, Lord, Yetham you are. This is our type 2 return for this idea. This is a bullish harmonic that I've forgotten all about. So, Pepe did it good, then she gave it back, and now she's trying to do good again. Do good, Pepe. You're making me want to get in on you after seeing this again. This means that more than likely after this little setup, this is going to be the setup to catch it on. Wherever you can get Pepe in the next little bit is what I'm getting over here. Oh, Pepe, but she may come down a little bit. How much can she come down? We got to, if we're going to try to play Pepe, we got to be ready for, oh man, that's 20% drop. She could just give that back right up really easy and then turn right around and be on his happy little way to where frogs don't bump their ass when they fly. Pepe, you're starting to look a little, oh, cool, man. You're too high to go in right now. And listen, I just wanted to nibble. Man, I can get in right now. For a setup that I do, where if I establish a trend line and I put a really tight stop and it's more of a gamble, it's like, well, you break that trend line, baby, it's all gone. It may break it again, then come back and get me. And I'm like, oh, dang it. If you don't take profits on the way. I'm going to try a little Pepe here with a very, very tight stop loss. Because that's the only thing I can control, right, is my little stop loss. Keep getting the wrong one, man. I might even make it a smaller trade idea. Well, I could maybe crank up the leverage if I could do. Oh yeah, I can get some good. How far can I come down? 470. What would that give me? That'd give me a 4-to-1. That's probably manageable. This is on the 15-minute time frame right here. We're on a pullback right now. And the smaller ones coming back to my trend line. Let me see what you got on that 1 minute. Oh, snap. Yes. Hell yeah. We're catching it at the right time. In my personal opinion, I'm coming over here right now, Pepe. For my idea, we're catching it at the perfect time. Now, if it keeps on going down, then my idea sucks and this is going to invalidate. But if it doesn't, then my idea is good. No, I'm going to play that little sucker. Pepe coin. Come here. Pepe, don't you let me down like you did before now. Set up my, no, that's a good idea. This may not hold, but we do have some touches there, so I'm playing it. I'm playing it. She may be ready to fall down. I'm taking that risk, man. I'm taking that risk because I know where I'm going to put my stop losses. My stop losses. I just don't know where my, damn it. What was that target? 565, is that where we're going with? Okay, I'll go with that. Oh man, I have to type this stuff in. I'm going to go ahead and mark it in, then do my stop losses. Let's see, we are on 3x, right? We're not on anything crazy. 3x, okay. I do appreciate that out of Blowfin, because a lot of your other exchanges, they'll just start you out like it. I've seen a lot of them do it automatically at 20x, and if you're not catching that, then you get into a trade at more leverage. You're hoping it shoots your position size and everything you thought you were doing, and you're like, oh man, that's not what I was trying to do. So I do like that out of Blowfin over here. Blowfin also, and I should probably do this more than what I'm doing. Hey Jenny, I sure do miss you. Jenny's missing. But before Jenny went missing, we do have this campaign going on until the end of February, until March 2nd, I believe. It is at Bluefin, and there is a link over here. It's pinned over here. Maybe I should. Oh, we're in the wrong room. I put it over in the lounge. Oh, that's where we got Jenny missing over there. But this event over here going on with Bluefin, and can I copy that? I should probably copy that. Shouldn't probably do that for all the streams. Can I copy? For anybody interested in signing up for that, but it gives you a chance to win some prizes and everything. Well, I can't get you in there, can I? All right, well, we'll have to try that. Oh, snap, we lost it. But we've got that. That's over in our group in the lounge. It's in the pinned comments there too. If I set up the things for links on the stream here. And I guess I like the exchange. Let me get my stop losses set because I'm going tight. I'm going tight. My take profit was around 575. It wasn't too much. It doesn't really give me very much to go with there, does it? Is that all we got in here? That's a tiny ass trade. I think we can go more than that. See, yeah, you're well within my stop loss limit. I can go for a bigger position here, especially since she's testing a trend line. How's that? What we got over here? Oh snap! Are we down? Don't be down. My Bitcoin short is down. Bitcoin, did you take off? Oh man. Bitcoin, you guys said that earlier too, didn't you? We're at 70,000 right now. Bitcoin, what the hell are you doing over here? All right, so Bitcoin on there 4 hours. She's still in an area of resistance right here. Oh, she's almost at an area of resistance. 70,800 and 71,005 are the areas we want to pay attention to locally. That might be where we get slapped down a little bit. Right now, she may not be doing her little slap down thing. Right now, I'm going to have to look at closing them shorts out, I believe. Let me take a look at the 24-minute. What we got going over here? This question is, are you going to get rejected here, or are you going to pop up above it and go higher? Because we know you can do that too. Dang. Look at you. I found an internal trend line right here. I'll go, okay, yeah. I'll go with that one right there. So maybe with the 71.8, maybe up there. At least 79. 70,900, but 71,800 might even get up that far. They're going to take out this higher high over here. That could get ballsy. We're still looking at a possible AB equals CD pattern that could take us up, and I was supposed to talk about that one. I think I got it over here. We got our targets right over here, I believe. She just didn't come all the way back down to her 618 fib. She didn't really come down and do it. So, but I'm looking at this idea, but I'm still kind of sideways about it because I really like it better when it comes down here. But it takes us up to this area about 76 and $75,000, 75,005 as a possibility if we're starting to make our higher highs out of this, and we may be. Ichimoku Cloud over here is suggesting maybe there's some chop on the way. That might make some sense for Monday holiday and Tuesday when we start, and then Wednesday when we start to level back out. That might be where we find ourselves over here. That is Wednesday exactly where this thing is at. So see what we can do. And a bit of a rising wedge type formation here, which can be bearish, but moving averages are trying to propel us forward. Well, who am I to buck the system? If you're trying to go up Bitcoin, then I want to be on that ride for a little while, because I think what you're doing right now, I can get some very tight stop losses on you. We got to see what you're doing. We're on the 1 minute right now looking at her. So I want to see a channel And we should have it. And I think I'm going to get my Bitcoin long on. Which I think I already had on. That's my stop loss. Is that my stop loss? Oh, this is my stop loss. Oh, did I screw up my stop loss? That little long idea is getting... I think we're going to close you out. Little long idea. Oh, I'm already in a long... Anna was trying to slong it over here. You made a higher... Oh, it's even. All right, I'll tell you what. I'll let you decide. You go up higher than what you did already. You were stopped out. That should have already been set. All right. So my thesis is that we're getting ready to hop up a little bit. Let's hope so. And there's also some resistance up ahead. What? Maybe I won't get stopped out. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Doge. How about Binance? There we go. Zoom out so we can appreciate what Doge has been doing lately, because I think it's been having some good days lately, right? Came in down to our little area over here. Back to the wick. Let's see if we can zoom out. Okay, we've got our fib there to that guy. So we haven't looked at this one in a minute. Let's see if we can update this one now. Alright, so I've got my trend line there. We're just right above it, meaning this could be a bear trap scenario here. Do a little fib calculation just to check bottom levels. Oh, 272, that's juicy. I want you. I like it. I'm sold. She's ticked one of my tickle boxes right there, and that's the one that I like to see tickled. Alright. Swing on. Well, gosh darn it. We got to look at this in several different ways right now. Cents 6. I like that target. I like this target at 15.3 right there, 15 cents. That one looks juicy for me. We got a play over here on Doge. We got a little swing trade idea or something. We're gonna chase on a Saturday. You know how that works out. That's not a good plan. It's not a good plan at all to try to hold any longer than a few days. My personal opinion, especially on something new like that. Look at that. It went from 9 cents to 11 right there. Those people were happy today. All right, I don't see an entry for me. No, on that one, not just quite yet. I got some resistance up ahead here. Pointing us out right over here at this area. See what we can do there. Might just be a bullish channel idea that we're just trying to, well, it's just time to break to the upside on. If you look at it that way, that gives you a nice little measured move idea that could even go a little bit higher than this. But just as a general rule, we'll be looking at it. It takes us up here to this area. So a possibility for 12, even a possibility for 15.4, which I probably need to mark over here. 15.3 right in that area, and what is this, 17.6 area. From here going up to there is 9%, 30%, maybe 50% gains, but if it comes back and tests this area back down here over the next day or so, it'd be more like 20%, 45%, and 70% gains. And the way the moving averages are, I wouldn't doubt on these bigger time frames that we could get a little bit of a pullback going on here pretty soon. It's time for some good ass coffee, ladies and gentlemen. 20 people hanging out with me. Thank you for being here.
For those of you out there that are hitting that like button, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Alexa, skip. Take a look at Link. Link is at $9.13 right now. It's a juicy possibility for Link. Could be an avenue. Nice little wick candle. This looks good for Link to me on the 12 hour.
Green flashes everywhere, lighting up the night. Everybody's aping, screaming, this is it.
It just got out of our zone of regrets and missed opportunities. So, well, you just missed out on that. So did I.
But I got my rules, drew them in the dark. Flip support, trend line break, now I'm at May spark. I wait for confirmation, I don't chase the spark. Even when the FOMO's
The zone of past regrets.
they say just one trade, what's the harm? But I know that road, I know the alarm. I've been burned before, learned the cost. Now my discipline's the only line I cross.
From where we are up to the next target, about 10% to the good juicy target would be about 20-30% to about $11. Look over to the left right here and you see that's an area that we would probably go up and bang our hand on. For a real headbanger, we'll just bust on through, but if we're a poser, then that's going to knock us flat on our ass again. Figure that out, Bitcoin or a Link. Not a bad play here. Let's go down to the 4 hour, see what you're looking at. Has some resistance on the 4 hour, meaning we might get a little pullback. Might it come back down to 8 something, 880, something like that, maybe. 1 hour saying, hell no, I want to keep on going right now. Pullbacks, that's not my vocabulary, mister. Veering away from the trend line. That's bullish in nature. I don't know. It's not the greatest perpetual future trade to play. 8% gain, 50% gain or something. Let's go over and see what's popping. This is the top gainers and losers for the top 300 over the past 24 hours. Pepe's been she's taking the lead. Pippin, you're at 73 cents? Oh my God, what the hell, Pippin? I'm kind of shocked by that. And how about Zcash? Yeah, we looked at Zcash. We looked at Pippin too. And Pingu, all the P's. We looked at all the P's going on last night, and MYX is back down to $2. Look at that. That was up $6. Looking at it at 3, but it dropped. River sucks. It's at 14. It was 13, I think, earlier. It might be trying to do something. I don't know. It's a little testy. In the meantime, let's take a look at Pippin. What are you doing? The unicorn meme coin, right? Go figure, man. I mean, look at this. It was this is a harmonic setup right here. It's already went to the A point. That's crazy. Alexa, skip.
I keep forgetting every time it looks like green.
See what else we can find here.
I swore last winter I never come back. Deleted the app through the C phrase in the black. Told myself that's it. No more late night screens. But then you flicker green in my dreams.
I think that might work.
One little wick and I'm already lost.
See what happens if with Pippin over here at 80 cents. It might be able to still squeeze up there. Want to see what happens there. That's a good area for it to get a little bit of a stronger pullback. Maybe a short entry, but I'd like to see some more things on the chart to initiate a short. But that's a nice strong move out of Pippin. Can't say anything bad about that. Take a look at Pingu. Look at you. Oh, you got the little mushroom. You're tripping your balls off. You got a nice little breakout. However you want to look at it. I think it's more of a channel, but hey, man. Pingu might be on the rise. Nice little Adam and Eve confirmation, too. Already hit target. That was the target for the Adam and Eve right there. I think we looked at this last night, too, didn't we? Dang, you did good. I didn't play it. I got all distracted last night and forgot to do that. It's too worrying too much about sideways Bitcoin to take advantage of some of these altcoin plays right there. That was a setup, ladies and gentlemen. That was a measured move, and that is what it did. Measured moves aren't perfect. We said last night it might even go up a little bit higher than that, but they give you a nice little ballpark. It's a nice little way to work this thing out. It's an easy system. You don't have to pull Fibonacci. You don't have to get all complicated. Although those things do help. We did break out and maybe trying to go up further. You might be doing the AB, another little pattern here. As we're starting to round in a parabola right there. Not from there, you're not. You could look at the idea from here that we might be coming up to 0.0092. That's not as strong of an idea based on where I took my Fibonacci's, but it's there. Could happen. .0088. It might happen. It might not too. I would want to see it get past our little measured move area right there before trying to take that idea for real. Let's come over here on the smaller 3 minute and see what you're doing. You're lost to 200. Need a little bit more than that, right? Could be a retest of this guy. Maybe some kind of double bottom retest of this guy here before we go back up. Maybe. It's not the great. There's not a great entry right here on Pingu at the moment. But can be. Is it worth it? We're chasing on the weekends. How's that work out for you? Usually, if you don't do the right things, but it could be a nice little 14% move on spot. Maybe if we are going up in that direction, right? Keep my eye on Pingu tonight, I guess. I like what the moving averages are doing, though. Shout out to anybody that was looking at it with us last night. I didn't do anything with it. Gosh darn it. Thank you, 22 people, for hanging out with me tonight. Let's come over and take a look at Bitcoin, which he's getting kind of feisty here. Asia is getting kind of, they love a long time tonight. We might just make our Valentine's Day. Saw Bitcoin wasn't doing nothing over here. So that's okay. We bring out the happy oil. We give happy ending tonight. And then, it looks like we're trying to do something here, man. Guessing, I don't know. I just look at trend lines, people. I see, some trend line ideas here, channel ideas here. Breakout ideas, measure moves. Measured move has not technically been met. It's at 70,700 right in that area. We close. We ain't there yet. But here on the even smaller time frames, we're seeing Adam and Eves on some of these others. It's a good chance this actually works as some kind of Adam and Eve formation. A shallow one right now. Maybe we get the same type of results or something from Bitcoin too. Maybe it'll eventually follow up a little bit. The 74, 78 are targets that we've been looking at here for a minute. We're starting to climb through the moving averages there, but I like to look at it on the 4 hour just to kind of really get a more solid feel for what's going on. And we're above the 9, and not only that, we're trying to go upward more. So trying to look for a nice place to put a good trend line over here on this time frame. Don't have a solid answer right now, right? A lot of stuff can happen, but we'll just apply our rules of operation. And, oh, you got broken, man. Tried to put it here, but it's not a solid idea, but we'll follow and track that idea on this time frame. 9 across the 50 moving average. 21 needs to follow across it. Ichimoku Clad says there's still going to be some turbulence up ahead. Probably, if it's going to point us toward a date, probably somewhere around late Tuesday and Wednesday right here. Mostly Wednesday is what I'm getting. We got news coming. Oh, we got news coming out too. Oh, the LFOs. Oh, well, no, there you go. There's a given. That's a good argument for turbulence. What else in? What is this? The 18th and 19th. We got stuff coming out. So, oh yeah. Gotta keep up with that stuff. It's going to be a fun week for Bitcoin. They're going to shake the house down again one more time. Shake us up, I'm sure. So, I mean, I would say if you're trading, which is probably about the only thing we got an option to do right now, or make sure you take some profits and get paid along the way there. And if you're trying to build up some bag, I'd say you got some good opportunities from some of the setups we looked. Some of them that are in some of those bottom areas, bottom zones, the zone of regret, or in a nice rounded bottom shape, or ones that have already got above the 9 on the daily moving averages. Any of them that are going up against Bitcoin are the good ones to try to be looking at. Well, 24 people hanging out. That's what I've got for Bitcoin as we watch it do what it do when it do it on the weekend. And she's just trying to get us all excited to go chase, I believe. But hey, man, I'll chase a little bit. I don't have to stay in the race all night long. So if I see some opportunities, I'll take. Oh, that's nice. Here on the 24-minute. That actually lines up nice. 1 hump, 2 hump, 3 hump before we dump. Might get one more hump up before we dump on this one. Remember again, local fibs, we're close. We still got a little bit more room we can go up on Bitcoin, right? So I added to my position. We're not quite, we're almost there at some of these areas, right? Where did you pull back to? Might have a chance to actually get this one right here at 71,400 area. Keep your eyes on that one. I think it's got the legs to get that one based on what it's done here on the fibs, from what I can kind of halfway see here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. All the 23 of the coolest people here on YouTube. That's you guys. Thank you for hitting that like button. Thank you for sharing, if you ever share the links on Twitter, X, or something, because I always forget to. Thank you so much for your support. Keeping the chat active. And just hanging out and being some cool people, man. I'm going to go to the end screen. There might be some new music over there. I don't know. But usually if you listen to a few songs over there, I'll catch up with the chat. And then see you again tomorrow night. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. God loves you. Jesus loves you.
All day. It's Valentine's. And I'm talking about that one true hope. Bitcoin, my sweet forbidden flame. Let's get into
Check a bow wow.
Bitcoin, baby, you got me locked in tight. Your curves on the chart, keeping me up all night. Whisper promises of moonshots in my ear. Hold up forever, don't fear my dear.
Ladies.
It blows sometimes, make my heart skip a beat. But I know your eyes make it all feel sweet. Altcoin fling on the
Go back to the 4 hour. Oh, look at you. Look at that one. It finally got back above. It finally got back up above that yellow curved line, the parabola, the rounding bottom. It finally got back up there. That's awesome sign. That's an amazing sign. If we can just get past this area over here, we'll be out of our zone of regret. Start working on zones of happiness, the zones of the tingle dingle. Well, I'll take you through all the zones here on Road Dog Crypto.
Sexy, crypto romance. Hold on my heart. Take a chance.
Oh, honey, you flash hard and fast. Promise the world, but you'll never last. A naughty detour while riding the dark. But Bitcoin's a spark, leaving its mark.
You crash and burn.
Happy Valentine's Day.
But Bitcoin rises, opens every door. Valentine's vow.
going to have to research this Tambo thing you guys are talking about. Check my DMs tonight. DJ Tambo in the house.
Hold me tight. Your eyes and feeling so right. Slightly forbidden, but oh so divine. In your wallet, baby, forever mine. Altcoin temptress, just a quick escape. But Bitcoin's a love I can't forsake. Deep and sexy, hot crypto romance. Hold on my heart.
Look at you, Bitcoin. Can you keep it going? Made a higher low, maybe.
But you stay the same, a little naughty fling, but my heart's with you. Bitcoin forever, making dreams come true. Let's get lost in the ledger tonight. You vow your eyes and feeling swole right. Slightly forbidden, but oh so divine. In your wallet, baby, forever mine. Altcoin temptress, just a quick escape. But Bitcoin's a love I can't forsake. Deep and sexy, our crypto romance. Hold on my heart. Take the chance. Forever. Yeah. Hold you ever, baby. Hold you ever, baby. Bitcoin's dropping like a bad habit you can't quit. Lower highs, tease and vanish in the mist.
All right, thank you for hanging out, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow night. Good night. God loves you. Keep Jesus in your hearts. See you then.